wa mano wana tinerne redemption song bia oni ungeo we pa Bob Marley eruni mabe so ripe ke mare ke junga chen ten kwot ka chen mana yeo mi rube lwen pa wano do you wan machalo buru kidano ke lwa ko do you matie iluo lan.
The last time Daniel Soca posted a video on his YouTube channel, as I talk right now, makes the 6th day since he last posted. One of the things he said in that video is he dedicated a song to the Acholi. The title of that video was called Message Bot Kaka, which loosely translates that message to my tribe. Daniel Soca dedicated a song from Bob Marley. This song is known as Redemption Song, where he said, Unungeo song way for Bob Marley, Makiluni Redemption Song. Now, I'm here to sing Redemption Song to remember Daniel Soca, if indeed he is dead. I say if indeed because it hurts and it is unbelievable. Ingeo ya Acholi, Danoni, Karabidini, late kata kaka Acholi kuano roin. I'm here making mistake. Yeah, I don't know that email. Then after singing the redemption song, I will also bring the meaning of that song. So the redemption song goes like this. Ding, 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 ding. All pirates, yes, you are gone. Shall die to the merchant ships. We forward in this generation. Trials upon us. Won't you hear me sing? These songs of freedom is all I ever had. Redemption song. Redemption song. Emancipate yourself from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our mind. Yeah, I'm not fear for atomic energy. Cause none of them can stop at the time. How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Yeah, some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you hear me sing? These songs of freedom is all I ever had. Won't you help me sing the redemption song? So, Where Enuni was a song that Bob Marley dedicated to the struggling Jamaicans. Because by that time in Jamaica, there was a lot of political persecution and tribulation. Jamaica was in a total quagmire, and the political suffering was being influenced by United States of America. And that's why it is the United States of America that is allegedly the ones who killed Bob Marley. Because Bob Marley was too influential, but never wanted the CIA agenda. So, as the story goes, the CIA were able to implant a cancer cell in a brand new shoes. So, it was given to Bob Marley as a brand ambassador to advertise. And that's how he got the cancer. So, they call it skin cancer. It has never been proven anywhere that smoking marijuana can cause skin cancer, but it can only cause lung cancer. If you want to read about that part of the story of Bob Marley, you can go and read. Then you realize that most of the things in this world we are being lied about. So that is one of my favorite songs, and it happened that Daniel Soca to dedicate to us. Now, that is the meaning, because in the period when Bob Marley released that song, he was shot 3 times on stage before releasing that song in a performance. And actually, Bob Marley lost some of his wives because he did not have only one wife due to that political thing. So it's a whole hot story. Now, my take on this passing away of Daniel Soca. It's a sad thing. Of course, we know Gera. He has been insulting people in his video. Some of them he calls it exposing secrets. Some of them he calls it activism, of which he did in some parts, in like during the time of Apalan issues, Abalelo issues, Karmanyong issues. Yeah, he did. So I think the past, if it is very difficult to establish why somebody would kill Daniel Soca. Maybe personal something. But all in all, I don't have to talk a lot. I don't have to talk much. I just have to say, whatever case it has been, may his soul rest in peace. And for those who dearly love him and follow him, you can always check on his YouTube channel, Daniel Soca. It will be there forever. Nobody will delete it. Not even the government can delete it. You can check and always remind yourself of the messages that he has been sending. And I had this belief that Daniel Soca was about to convert to the government side. But everything around the passing away of Daniel Soca is just confusing. Even the video is hard to believe. It's hard to believe, the video. Anyway, Acholi says Talakajing Pekalabuni. Well.
Redemption songs.
Your Grace, I cannot end this interview without going musical. I know you used to play guitar back then. And I know you love reggae. Please give me an a cappella, Your Grace.
I'm sure I'm getting a bit boring, like an old record playing. And that is one of the reggae people I've always respected. Was, you know, the one I call, in inverted commas, the high priest of reggae. Mm-hmm. You know, Robert Nestor Marley.
Yes, indeed.
You know. And I came to love him very much, also because my father, who was not very much a fan of, you know, pop music, when he listened to Redemption Song and a few other clips of Bob Marley, he said, this man is a prophet. I remember my father saying it. Mm. And so I took time to listen to that particular song, which I've sang it in about 2 or 3 places. I even sang it in Jamaica, in Kingston. They were bowled over. They couldn't believe that an archbishop...
Which of the... Give me a line, Your Grace.
Old pirate called the robber, sold I to the merchant ships. Minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit.
Yes.
But my hand was made strong by the power of the Almighty. We forward in this generation triumphantly. Won't you help to sing this song of freedom? Oh my God, this is for Good Friday. It's all I ever had.
Oh yes.
Redemption song. But there's a part that I love very much. Emancipate yourselves from mental slavery. None but ourselves can free our minds. Whoa. Have no fear for atomic energy, cause none of them gonna stop the fight.
Oh yes.
How long shall they kill our prophets while we stand aside and look? Woo. Some say it's just a part of it. We've got to fulfill the book. Won't you hail to sing
Oh.
redemption song? So Jesus came to fulfill the book, the redemption of humanity. We shouldn't only sing redemption song, we should live in redemption, joyful in the Easter, and we should follow his selflessness